being. Finding the source of the leak is proving to be difficult. The ISS is a complex machine. There are many potential culprits. The leak could be in a seal, a valve, or even the hull of the station itself. To find the leak, engineers are using a variety of methods. They are using ultrasonic testing to check for cracks. They are also using leak detectors to sniff out any escaping air. These efforts require meticulous attention to detail. The investigation into the leak is ongoing. Engineers are analyzing data and refining their search. Finding and fixing the leak is a top priority. The safety of the astronauts depends on it. Section 4. The role of AI on the ISS. The air leak is a reminder of the challenges of human spaceflight. It also highlights the growing importance of technology in space. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in space missions. On the ISS, AI is used for a variety of tasks. It helps to monitor systems, control the environment, and even conduct scientific experiments. AI can process vast amounts of data. This makes it an invaluable tool for managing complex systems like the ISS. While the recent headlines about an AI leak are misleading, they highlight the importance of AI in space exploration. AI is not leaking secrets. However, it is becoming an integral part of how we explore the cosmos. Section 5. The ISS, a testament to international collaboration. The air leak on the ISS is a serious issue that requires immediate attention and precise coordination. However, it is important to remember that the ISS is a testament to human ingenuity and international collaboration. It stands as a beacon of what we can achieve when we unite our efforts and resources. For over 2 decades, the ISS has served as a unique laboratory, providing invaluable data and insights. It has advanced our understanding of space and our place in it, pushing the boundaries of what we know. The ISS is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together, transcending borders and differences. Despite political and cultural differences, nations have come together to build and operate this incredible facility. It is a shining example of international cooperation. The challenges faced on the ISS, like the air leak, only strengthen our resolve to continue exploring the cosmos together. These obstacles remind us of the importance of unity and perseverance. The story of the ISS is far from over. It continues to evolve, inspiring new generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It continues to inspire us with its potential for discovery and its message of unity. The ISS is a living testament to what we can achieve when we come together. As we look to the future of space exploration, the ISS serves as a reminder of what we can accomplish when we reach for the stars together. It is a symbol of hope and a guide for future endeavors.